Good morning, you guys. Hey, it's your girl, Got a Little Danny here, and it's Friday morning. Hey, it's the weekend. But today, I guess you can say I'm doing get ready with me. So I'm going to be getting ready to take some photos for my thumbnail for my upcoming video, and also doing some photos for Instagram today. So yeah, I wanted to bring you guys along with me through this whole process. As you guys see, I'm in all natural, and yes, I do wear glasses. These are reading glasses. So yeah, this is pure face glasses. This is how I am. Typically, I just got back from taking my kids to school, so we're getting ready to go. So yeah, stay tuned. Okay, guys, so I already put like my foundation and stuff on, and now I'm getting ready to put my lashes on. So I use the magnet lashes now. So I'm getting ready to, and this is the magnetic liquid glue. So they say you're supposed to just apply it on your upper eyelid like you would do if you were doing like mascara or liquid eyeliner. And you apply two strips of it, 2 coats, I guess you could say, on it, and kind of let it dry. And so I do both sides. Do you guys typically do like your makeup first, or do you guys do hair first? Which one do you do first? I think with me, sometimes it depends. If I'm not doing a lot with my hair, then I like to do makeup first and then hair, because hair wouldn't take as long if I'm not doing nothing, you know, all dramatic. If I'm just keeping it simple, then I'll do hair first. And these are the magnetic lashes. They come in this little case. I just put them back in here when I take them off at night, or during the day, just depending. And so they're actually stuck together. So I need to just pull them apart. And you know what? I don't know if you guys ever tried the magnet lashes, but so far I like them because they're really convenient. They're really easy. But they, depending on how you put them on, they actually hold up pretty well. I think it's been like once or twice that I had to go back in with the magnetic liner to just make sure, you know, they don't come off. But for the most part, I like them. And you get to keep your own eyelashes, because, you know, after a while you do those lashes with that glue. And I know for me, you just your eyelashes actually start to go. And so since I've been doing these, I've noticed that my eyelashes are starting to grow back. In which I'm like, okay, you know, so I think I'm going to continue to be a magnetic lash girl. And it's so simple and quick to just pop them on and kind of go. It's really easy. So you just kind of want to make sure they line up. And then of course you don't want to use metal tweezers because, you know, it's magnetic, so it's just not gonna work for you. So if you have these little plastic ones, these would work best when applying them to your lash. And you just go ahead and just kind of press it in and press them on. I'll show you guys. Make sure they're on pretty tight. I like to drive with my window down, especially when it's nice and cool. So you don't want them flying off now, you know. You'd be like, damn. Then you're looking real crazy. But I haven't had that happen. So we gonna hope it doesn't. Oh, jeez. Okay, so let's do the other one. Other side. And I mean, you can do your finger also to help you. I might need to apply some more. Let me do this one. Okay. So what I do, being that I know that I have these type lashes on there, and I think I might need to apply some more glue to this side. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply some more glue. I mean, yeah, some more magnetic glue to this side. You want it to get dry, but you don't want it to get too dry. You want it to be still a little wet when you apply them to your lash. I mean, when you apply the lash on. So just kind of like medium. Let me know if you guys ever tried the magnetic lashes, because I like them. I think they're quick and easy and convenient. And overall, you get to still have your own lashes that can still be, you know, growing and thriving for those days when you're going out and you're just doing your regular routine. And you don't just want to be looking like a eyelash deficient chicken. Because your eyelashes are all gone from the glue when you go to the shop and get them done. But, you know, like I said, I've been there. I did it for a long time. I started wearing lashes My first experience with lashes was in college, and so I've been wearing them kind of off and on over the years. And this is actually my first time trying the magnet lashes. So like I said, I'm kind of sold on them because I'm just kind of trying to let my lashes, you know, kind of grow back and just get back in that space. I'm just making sure that they're on tight, you guys. These lashes are kind of longer than what I usually wear. I like to have the lashes that look natural. But these are more of a dramatic type lash. So they're a little bit bigger than I'm used to. But I think they're nice. I like them. Especially when you're doing like, you know, like I said, I'm going to be doing the photos for my thumbnail and photos for Instagram. So, you know, you just want that look. You know, that wild look. And so I just added a little more glue there, because I see it kind of peeping up. And then we're going to go ahead and wrap this up. All right, I think I got it. Yep. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Okay, now I just need to put my powder on. And I use this is my first time trying the Bare Minerals Bare Pro powder. So I'm gonna put that on. I typically like the MAC. But when I purchased this, it was kind of like a last minute type of, oh, I need to hurry up and get something because I was doing something. And this was actually, you know, the store I went into Ultra to get it. So it was just right there. But I do plan on going to get me some more MAC foundation, because I really do like MAC foundation. I've been wearing, well, not actually, I wouldn't say wearing, because I really only wore makeup, like, not as much back in the day. So I really kind of just got into makeup also in the last 3 years. Just to wear when I go out, when I'm actually going out somewhere, or especially when I'm doing like social media, then I'll put it on. But on a regular basis, then no, I'm pretty just plain Jane. I don't do the makeup and all that stuff. Just bare face. Okay. Now, I don't do too much either, guys, because I really don't know how to do makeup. But I know how to do makeup for me. Let's just say that. So we're done with that. I might add a little bit of shadow. And this lash just don't want to act right, y'all. They don't want to act right. Maybe they wasn't going to do it because it's just not holding. It was doing so good. I don't know if after a certain period of time, because I had these for a little bit. I wonder if after a certain amount of wears. And they are pretty pricey, but they're probably not, because I know most of y'all be like getting those pink lashes and stuff. I don't know. Yeah, when I used to get the lashes and go to the salon, I'll just get the little $1.99 lashes and all the day. And they work for me, you know. But I don't like real big lashes. I like my lashes that, even though they're not real, I still want them to kind of look real. So that's just my whole thing with it. I still like to have, you know, the whole look, but I still want it to look natural still. I'm just trying to get rid of all of my acting up on me. Okay, so now I'm going to do my hair. I'm really not doing much, you guys, because as you can see, I cut my hair, so I really don't have much to do. I'm not going to curl this. As usually I will flat iron this portion of it, but I'm not going to do it. So I'm just going to take some gel, and I'm just going to lay it down. Lay this whole part down. That's what I typically do. And I use the Equal Styler gel. And then I use this. This is really good for my edges. I love this stuff. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead. I just bought this Equal Styler yesterday because I ran out. I had this one like forever, but now it's all gone. So I went and bought this one yesterday. And so I get my little toothbrush. I'm old school, y'all, so I got an old school toothbrush that, you know, actual toothbrush. And so I just put some on the toothbrush, and I go ahead and start laying it down. I start laying it down. Laying it down. Yep, that's what I do. You can see in the back of my head, but I do can do it, but it takes me forever to get the line straight. But it's good enough, so we gonna work it out. Cause it's not a big deal. It's still gonna be cute. So yeah, I just take the gel and I just go around my head with it. Back to the back, to the sides. Around my whole head's pretty much shaved off or cut low. Yeah, actually, I'm really loving this haircut, you guys. It's so easy to just like gel it down and go. Or during the week, what I do is I usually don't. I just wash it and I use some conditioner. I put conditioner, leave-in conditioner in it throughout the week if I'm not doing anything but just working. So I just have the conditioner in it, and that's just kind of how I have my hair during the week. And then when I'm getting ready to go somewhere, you know, I jazz it up a little bit. And I was natural before this for the longest time, for years. And then when I got my hair cut, then of course, I had to get a relaxer for this particular style. But I think I'm, of course, eventually gonna go back natural. But right now, go with the flow. When the weekend comes around, unless I have to work, then, you know. But I'm like, okay, if I'm actually free and someone calls me and like, hey, you want to hang out? Then that's kind of how it goes, unless I already have something ahead of time or plan in, you know, months or so in advance. And that's how I do it. If not, I'm just going with you guys. Or my kids guys. So it just depends. So now I'm using this for my edges. I like to use this for this portion of my hair. Take some of this, you guys, and this stuff really holds. That's why I like this. It really holds. I was in a hair store one day and I just saw it and I was like, let me try it. And so I've been on it ever since. I love it. It really does hold in place. So I just put it on that line right here. Lay it down, lay it down, lay it down, lay it down, lay it down. Swirly stuff that they do. I'll let it just line it a little bit. Nothing spectacular, y'all. I like to keep it simple and easy breezy. Light right here, lay it down. Because I'm not going to curl this today. I'm trying to hurry up and get out here. But we're not curling this today, y'all. That's all we doing, y'all. That's all we doing today. We're not doing all that stuff. We're going to work it out today. So we got to get out of here. So, I think I'm done. I think that's it. I have a little makeup. I don't know what earrings. I think I'm gonna wear some fringe earrings because I'm gonna do my Levi jumpsuit. I actually did a short or a TikTok of the Levi jumpsuit, so that's what I'm gonna be taking pictures in today. But I'm gonna add a little shadow, you guys. So I have this little palette right here. I think I got this from like D's or Ross, and so I just like to add a little bit in the corner of my eye just to give it a little pop. But especially you guys, because like I said, I'm not a makeup makeup person like that. So I just kind of make it do what it do for me. I don't have no rules or nothing like that. I just do it. And if it's cute, it's just cute, and we gonna let it blow. Just like to have fun with it, y'all. What y'all think? Yeah? No? I think that's too long. What y'all think? Too long? It is. Mixing another little color with it. Okay. I don't know if I want to do any lipstick. Nah, I don't know. Should I do some lipstick, y'all? Should I do some lipstick, y'all? I'm kind of just getting into lipstick too, y'all, because I never actually wore lipstick like that. I always thought that it didn't look good on me back in the day. But I have, on occasion, started with the red lipstick, and which I love that. I think it looks really nice. And so now I have.
Hey guys, it's Gotta Love Danny. So this is the end result, and this is actually me at the location taking the photos for Instagram. Thank you guys so much, and I hope you enjoyed it. See you next time.